Alright guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the set mask feature. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. So keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now the set mask, is very similar to the set path feature, but with one main difference, and that is that depending on the value of your color of the mask that's going over it, that is how much opacity will the final image have. So if something is very black, you won't see the image at all. If something is very light, you'll see the whole image. But I'll just make a quick example here. So let's say we want to make a clip of a, okay, not a square. Let's just go here to a circle. Let me drag a mask over this. And let's say we want to create this as a mask. So now let's make a few variations. I just want to copy this. So Control C, Control Shift V to paste in place. Then we can move this over to repeat the process. Okay, let me just throw the mask on top. Okay, now, so our first one will leave black, but let's just remove the stroke to none. Now this one, the middle one, let's make this about a 50% gray. And then the last one we'll make completely white. Just so you can see what's the difference. So like I said, it works depending on the values. So now if we select the first two, and then to locate it, there's two ways we can do it. We can either go on top here to object, then we navigate down to clip mask, and then you'll see we've got set mask. Then we do that. As you can see, there's nothing showing. That is because the color is completely black. So now let's do the next one quick. We select both the shapes. Now the other way we can do it is we go here to the styles panel on the right, and then we navigate to clipping and we go to mask. Now you'll see because the gray was 50%, the opacity will also be 50%, so you'll be able to see through it. So if there was something behind it, you will be able to see it. Let's just do this just to show you. Let's drag this layer right to the bottom. As you can see there, you can see right through the image. Okay, and then the last one with the color white, like I mentioned, this should show you just the image. So just keep that in mind. That's the main difference with masks. And like paths, if you want to undo it, you can either select your shapes, go to style again, and then from the clipping you go back to none. Or if we select the black one here, we go to object, we go to clip mask, and we say release mask. And we'll do the same thing. Otherwise, if you go to vinylcut.co.za, you guys can get the program here freely available. Just head to the downloads, and then also if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video more like it. We also have this nice search options if you want to isolate your search, or if you want to, you also have an option here, you can request a training video. So if you don't find what you're looking for, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.